Everybody knows that washing machines work hard to keep clothes clean, but over time, detergent, limescale and mould can build up, leaving behind unpleasant odours and even marks on your laundry. Thankfully, regular maintenance is all it takes to keep your machine fresh and running smoothly. First, clean the detergent drawer. Take it out and soak it in hot water for 10 minutes. Use an old toothbrush to scrub away any residue or mould. Rinse it well, dry it and slot it back in place. Next, deep clean the drum. In the detergent drawer, add 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda and half a cup of white vinegar. Run a hot sanitising cycle with no laundry inside. This helps remove odours and break down build-up. Once it's finished, leave the door open to let the drum air dry. Now, clean the rubber seal. Use a damp cloth to remove mould or residue around the seal. Give the outside surface a quick wipe too while you're there. For limescale, try adding citric acid and running another hot cycle. To maintain your appliance, run a hot cycle once a month, keep the door ajar between washes, use the right amount of detergent and clean the filter regularly.